Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the age verification problem on X, formerly known as Twitter. So if X is asking you to verify your age, you can't access certain features, or your account is stuck with an age verification message. Follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Now, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Profile from the menu to open your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap Edit Profile. Now, look for the Birth Date option and tap on it. Here, you'll see the date of birth currently connected to your X account. Tap Remove Date of Birth. A confirmation message will appear, so tap Remove to confirm. Your date of birth has now been removed from your profile. Now tap on Date of Birth again and then tap Edit. Next, enter your correct date of birth. Make sure you select the right day, month, and year because this information can affect the age restrictions on your X account. Once you've selected your correct date of birth, tap OK to confirm. Then tap Continue in the top right corner to save your changes. Now go back and tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Your Account and then select Account Information. If X requires additional age verification, you should see a verification prompt here. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. X may ask you to provide a valid government-issued ID and a selfie to confirm your identity and age. Make sure the information and documents you provide are accurate and clear. This can help X verify your age and restore access to age-restricted features on your account. Also, check that your email address is verified. If your email hasn't been verified yet, complete the verification process using the instructions sent by X. Once you've completed these steps, give X some time to process your information if additional verification was required. Your age verification problem should be resolved as long as your account information meets X's requirements. And that's it. That's how you can update your birthday and potentially fix the age verification problem on X. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful X and social media tutorials.